Hello friends, thank you for watching all my previous video. Today we are going to show you some unboxing of 7-inch LED boombox Divx MP3 player with radio and USD plus USB slot with CD wrapping function. Let's open the box and see what they provide in this box. As you can see, for the safety of the LCD boombox, both the sides they have provided thermocol, and on the first packing they have provided us, let's see, as you can, this is the connector, this is the power supply connector. This is the power supply connector. The model is SCW24120-2000. It input volt 200 to 240 volts and output to 12 volt, 200 mA. This is the one they provide in the first cover, and this is the lead for audio and video. And from this we can connect to the mobile and we can use. They provide two cords, two aux cord. Let's do the unboxing now. Let's keep this box. There is nothing in this box now. Let's keep this box aside. And this is the remote. This is the remote with two batteries. And there's a slot over here. We can use both the battery. It's good to see that the boombox we can operate with the remote. And let's remove the thermocol and see the boombox. Wow. This is good. Let's remove the strip. So easy to open the CD area. There's no lock here, like this. Just open and easy to close. There's on-off button, volume up and down, mode, stand, play, pause, back, next, stop, and display. See from all the side, there is one speaker here, there is one more speaker here, and there is an easy handle to carry all the way. And let's see on the back side. Back side we have an antenna. On the back side we have an antenna. This is the antenna, and this is the cement. And you can see here we can connect mic, and we can connect our charger over here, as this is the connector. This is our charging point. This convert AC to DC, and you can see here that we can use USB. We can use USB, and we can use our memory card over here. Thank you for watching all my previous videos.